Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest board. So let's get started. First off, we just need to go to pinterest.com and sign into our Pinterest account. Once you're logged into your Pinterest account, you can go to the upper right hand corner and there you can click on your profile. Once you're routed in your profile page, what you're going to do is to click on the plus icon here on the right hand side. Now you have got two options right here. We have create pin or create board. Click on create board and afterwards you just need to enter the name of the board that you would like to create. So for example, since Halloween is coming up, you're going to add Halloween, right? You could also keep this board secret so only you and the collaborators can see it basically. Now let's keep it unticked and let's simply create the board. Now choose the pictures that you would like to add onto your board. Say for example, let's add this. Alright, now I've saved 3 photos and simply click on the done button here below. And basically you have successfully created your Halloween board. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.